Yo. Yo, what's up, Maria? Yo, yo, yo. Man, this market is just fucking, it's not great. It is not great. Yeah, I mean, you had to assume the Apple event was going to be Matt. I mean, what are they releasing here? What are they coming out with? Who's buying Apple Air? Not me, motherfucker. I don't know. Yo, Apex is 80% off. Yes. Apex is back to 80% off. You bought for Diaz? I appreciate it. I'm gonna buy a couple more. They apparently they rebill at the same 90% off. I use Quant Tower with it, Maria. I have a feeling you would like Quant Tower. It's super easy to use. No, you download it. Ninja Trader is web based. If you need to use like a Ninja Trader, they have a web based app. Yo, yo. What up, Waldo? I'm trying to think. What is max? What do you mean, like max? Like max that you could make in a day? What do you mean by max? So the evals, I think you could pass in one day. I've never used the 100Ks. I don't like the numbers on this, so I'll just show you. Let me see. I think it's standard. So these are the accounts. Anytime I buy them, I buy growth or advanced, to be honest with you. I've done growth more than advanced. I've done this one because it reminded me more of my funded futures. End of day, and the reset, if you want to reset, it's only $85. I do have a funded account with them, which is this account right here. Yeah, the funded is I think it's a 40% consistency rule. Yeah, I've never done the 100K, so I don't know the 100K numbers off the top of my head, to be honest with you. I think I didn't like it because it was like $6,000 profit with 3,000 drawdown, which is double. Like your drawdown is half of your profit target. I would rather 3,000 with $2,000. Oh, the max pay. Yeah. Well, you can withdraw $1,500. I know the 50Ks, you can withdraw 1,500. I'll show you. Yeah. The most you can withdraw, your first payout, the most you can withdraw is 1,500. At least the ones that I was using. I was using the 50Ks. So you need to reach 52,100 or I'll just show you. Here it is. The minimums. Yeah, see, it's like payout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each payout has a max, and these are the maxes that you can take out. It's not like TPT. TPT is daily payouts. Take Profit Trader is daily payouts. Do whatever you want. What's up, Marie? Yeah, TPT is the best one out there. You're not getting the new iPhone? I am most definitely not getting the new iPhone. I just don't. They need to start coming out some new shit. To be honest with you, if it wasn't for the iPhone that everyone uses, man, Apple would be in some trouble, some super fucking trouble. Why? Because they have no innovation, Jaden. Like they need to keep creating new shit. Otherwise, if somebody else comes out with a phone that's halfway decent and people start using it, Apple's in big fucking trouble. Yeah, I mean, I have the iPhone. Dude, I think I'm riding the iPhone 14 or 15. I don't know. Mine's fine. I'm not changing shit. I am most definitely not fucking changing my shit. You gotta be crazy. You gotta be crazy. My dad's gone crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not loving where we're at. See, like we broke the trends, we came down, they bought it back up, and I almost feel like they're going to consolidate and then push up. What? Dude, that's crazy. I should probably traded this account then. This is the account that they breached for no reason. They breached this account for no reason. The drawdown is 1,500. I'm literally just going to flip contracts real quick. I have to make a trade in this account. I have to make a trade. They froze the account for some reason, and I don't want the inactivity rule to go in place. So we'll just. I'm forcing a trade right now because I don't want to lose the account. Market just died, bro. It's dead. Super dead. We haven't gone anywhere. We haven't gone anywhere in a fucking hour and a half. And we did that earlier. Like, we just sat, like, I don't know. Shit looks broken. I'm just sitting around. I just put a quick trade in funded ticks just to, because this account hasn't been used in a while.
Order filled.
Break it down, baby. Yeah. Yeah, like, market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, KP, that's why I don't trade at night, man. I will fucking get destroyed at night. What up, Bruno? I get destroyed at night. I just can't. Asia session. I don't know. So I think they dump it into close, personally. I might risk this, actually. So last time PPI was hot, right? PPI was hot last time, and they fucking dumped it. I don't know why I bought in threes, to be completely honest with you. I have no idea what just fucking happened. But how to enter giveaway? You just got to be on the stream, subscribe, say what's up, smash the like button, call grandma, tell her to come on the stream, get one of grandma's friends from bingo, Tell her to come by. Post a channel in the grocery store, you know, that wall with the pins on it. Also, the pole, when you stop at the light, you post a channel on that pole. There's blood sample. What else we got, boys? Yeah, definitely feet pics. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's so easy. Yo, I think it's Celsius time. I need a Celsius so bad. Is that not how you enter? Hold on, I'm just getting a drink. Oh, man. What up, Pete? Order filled. Order filled. Oh, baby. All right, this is what we're rocking today. We are rocking the peach vibe. Peach vibe. Tried to show you. Let's see what we got. Post your exact address, government. Yo, just be part of the community, my man. You'll see it come up. Hang out, shoot the shit. And that's pretty much what it's about. Well, you have PPI first, TJ. And I think PPI is going to be bearish. I think they're going to dump it. Dude. I got back in because I'm an idiot. So last PPI reading, we dumped. It was hot and we dumped. Let's do the last date. Last date for PPI. I'm trying to pull it up. So the last time we reported was August 14th. So let's see what we did August 14th. Yeah, August 14th was this. I think we dumped it out. Yeah, you can see August 14th, PPI, we dumped from 961. We dumped 160 points on PPI. We made it back the following hour, and then we just kind of sold off days after. I think people are going to front run. Yeah, PPI. I think people are going to front run the dump on PPI, and they're going to sell off and into the end of the day today. Who the fuck knows when we report? I'm just saying into the end of the day. Also, Apple shit was fucked. And I could be completely wrong. I'm just, it all depends on what the number says. If the PPI is good, you're probably going to all-time highs. If it sucks, you're going on Craigslist. My brother's eating Alfredo with black truffle. Yo, I will say the portions they give you in Italy are pretty fucking small. CPI is always the bigger move, but PPI is known to give you some shit. I think PPI is going to be a big one. Give it to daddy. Oh, we're right the fuck there. Just dump it, man. Let's see what I can look at right here. If I can show you what it looks like, what he's eating. Alfredo with truffle on it. Oh, I imagine. Yo, it's so good he ordered a second one. Yeah, he thinks it's so good he just ordered a second. Did they just fucking play with me right there? They just played with me? I'm out on that. I'm fucking out. I'm fucking out. They played with me. That was the break that I wanted, though. Fuck me, man. At least you know when to call it. You know what I'm saying? You got to know when to admit you're wrong. And I'll be honest with you, when it drops like this and then they buy it right back up, I pull the ripcord. I'm wrong at that point. I may be right long term. It might come up here and dump, but I don't want to be holding it at this point. It's okay to say, hey, man, I'm out. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Dude, I've never been to Italy. Am I long or short in MOC? I'm not playing MOC today. I'm just hanging. I'm looking for a dump into close just due to last time PPI sucked. But, you know, I'm just taking, you know, we shall see what happens. Oh, fuck, man. My wife's going out tonight. I may stream tonight and fucking trade. Anybody gonna be around tonight? How has Asia been by any chance? Has Asia been good or Asia sucking? How has Asia been, guys? Stream it. Gold. I would get on probably like 8:30ish. 8:30ish. I would probably get on. I don't know why I just did the threes again. Dude, need to get under the fucking 200 here. Why doesn't it put you in there? I don't know. How long have you been on the stream for? How many minutes have you been on the stream for? What up, Stockage? Yeah, you got to be on for longer than 15, 20 minutes so Streamlabs knows you're a real person. Otherwise, you could just sign up like 30 accounts and join. And that's what people are doing. That's what people were doing. So got to stop it one way or another. And that's the only way I know how to stop it. So if you really want to hang out, just hang out and be part of the community and you'll be at it. That's all it takes. Bro, Apple is fucking dropping and the market's going up. What the fuck am I doing? What? Why? Dude, I'm watching Apple get destroyed on my other screen. I'm watching Apple get destroyed and it's has nothing. Dude, I remember the days where if Apple dumped, the fucking market would dump. Those days are gone. I got one trade left of me in this account. Dude, Apple's getting fucking destroyed. I'm just watching it. It's down $5 from the top. It's down $5 and it looks like it's going down lower. Basically, it's down 2% in like an hour. And somehow the fucking market just doesn't care. Yo, what up, Pine? What up, what up? I would have assumed that Apple would drag this motherfucker down. Apparently nobody cares. Nobody fucking cares.
Order filled.
What the fuck was that? Dude, I forgot I was even in a position here. How's that sound? I forgot I was even in. Oh my God. That's crazy. But yeah. Anywho's, what is going on, bro? I'm watching Apple dump and the market go up. Is what apparently I'm doing. That seems like the thing. Yo, they're all pumping. They're all pumping. Dude, all I know is, let me see if I can bring this up, bro. But I'll bring it up on my computer, even though I hate fucking bringing it up on my computer. Yo, you watched it on X Hamster? Wiser than most? Yo! I just lost $26 on micros. Bro, check this shit out. Yes, it's me. Let me the fuck in. Can I? Oh, yeah, here we go. Look, somebody asked me. So I have this account, which is a smaller account, but you can still make money in a small account, by the way. Like people, you can use leverage and shit like that. Bro, I post this, by the way, I post this in the Discord. I'm up 2,100 in this account. I'm going to take money out today again. And 2,300 in this one. I might go buy myself some sushi tonight. Are we going all in? Are we going all in? What, 889? 889 or the high? The 24. Buy some of that New York City lobster? Bro, I am not buying any lobster. I could go for some fucking sushi, though, or actually, I'd go for some sloppy ass Mexican food. That's really what I can go for, to be honest. That's crazy. I mean, it was so easy to read UNH. It was so easy. Temis Quintes. What up? Yo, cash to NQ? Dude. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Dude, this is like... This is so fucking slow. What up, Timas? Sorry I'm late. Bro, better you being late than your side chick. Am I right, guitar guy? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, man. Are we going to get rejected at Asia Highs? Dude, I don't trust this fucking market, man. We're just chopping here. Chop, 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 chop. I am debating on something. Man, I am freaking debating on something, and I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. It's very choppy, right? Very choptastic. I am. Oh, that's what I want to do. Boom. It can't get over this. I'm just watching it. Literally just hanging around. It's just chilling out, shooting some b-ball outside of school. Not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Oh man, this motherfucker just got to my house now. I'm trying to fucking do something stupid. I'm trying to do something so stupid right now. Oh, they won't let me fucking do it. How do we join the giveaway, boss? It opens up and you do exclamation point code trader. Yo, what up, Flo? Yo, what is NVIDIA doing? Let me see. NVDA, what is it doing? Just blasting off into space? No, NVIDIA's up 60 cents. Why? What are they doing? Are they doing something else? Are they doing something I don't know about? What's NVIDIA doing? Man, I am debating on something, and I don't know what I want to do here. Just a little debating on something to make a little bit of money here. Dude, look, it can't get over the fucking same level. Same level. If you open up a position in my Fund Future Core account, 1 mini, I've never had that happen, Stockage. What up, Drac? What up, man? I've never had that happen, Stockage. It won't sell your position out. You have too many orders out there, maybe? Like, how many orders out there do you have? That's what caused you to. I forget what happened to me the other day. No, but the problem with what happened last time, I passed an account and it didn't allow me to. I passed the account and it didn't activate it, which was fucking so weird. But yeah, it didn't activate my account. That I thought was fucking awkward. Yeah, it didn't do anything. It was like it was as if nothing happened. You can't have more than three. If it's a core account eval, you can't have more than 3 minis of orders open. So if you're in 2, you can't have 2 more orders. Make sure you have no orders in. Start there. Make sure there's no orders in. Nah, so I don't know what your screen looks like. No, you shouldn't have to. I would have to look at your screen to really see what the fuck's going on, to be honest with you. Just being, I don't actually know what you're doing. I don't, not that you're doing anything. I just have to like physically see it to, you know, yeah, stop loss and yeah, they count as orders in the system. Yep. They most definitely do. Oh, they're aware of it? Well, that's even better. That's even better for you. I hate when you're the only one that brings it up, or when they know about it and they act as if they don't fucking know about it. And you're like, wait, what? It's like, you motherfuckers know about this. I know you guys know about, I know that you know that I know that we both know about this. And they act as if I'm fucking stupid or something. That's so weird. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, because it allows too many open orders is the problem. That's the issue. There's too many open orders because they have such a low amount of orders that you're allowed to be in. You're only allowed to be in one mini on a funded account until you scale up. So that's the issue that's happening. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because it's the only firm that only allow that I know of that you could only do uh one mini. It's just weird. It's just fucking weird. Yo, hold on one second. I just gotta go fucking grab something. Hold on one second. I'm back. I'm back. Yo, I just got Costco fucking delivered. I just got Costco delivered. So I had to just bring in the fucking eggs and my meat. Guy slapped some meat on my porch. I had to go put it away. Yeah, I don't know, man. It is pretty shitty. YM is cleaner. Oh man, that was so fucking good. Bro, I can't get over this level. Asia high is like right here. Asia highs. Oh, kid poker. Yo, you want to just play the number game? Who wants to play numbers while we sit here? This shit, Mark is not going anywhere. Are you ready? I'm kind of bored of the fucking market. It's just freaking. All right, you ready? Set. Go for it. Oh, geez, you guys are fast. Ooh, somebody was one off. Yo, it's 1 through 50. Oh, bro, you guys are. Yo, there's a bunch of people that were one off. Oh, wait. Yo, wait till you see. Yo, it's 20 to 40. Oh, my God. I think Stockage just got it. It was 32. Bro. I gotta see who got it first, but let's see. Was it Stockage that won? No, it was Lee B. Lee B won. What's up, Paul? Lee B was the first one. I know everybody wants to see because on your screen. See? 232, 232, and the next 32 is Lee B, and then Flo, and then Stockage, and then Breaking Bad, then Jim, then Paul, then Simone. Lee B. Dude, we haven't done numbers in a while. I like the numbers, man. The numbers gets everybody going. It's a good day for numbers. I mean, we haven't done shit. We haven't moved. Just freaking not going anywhere. Levy won. I'm so bad at the numbers game. Cove, do you think this thing pops up or down to close the day? My general bias. So last PPI, we dropped 160 points. I was thinking that people were going to front run the move and sell this thing off. It's definitely a good distraction, Stockage. That's why I was like, let's just do it. I thought people would front run the move and dump it. But yes, on the higher time frames, you could see, that, hey, maybe we hit these highs, which is 889, or we're so fucking close to all-time highs, which is 24,067. We're kind of super close. Maybe we just, it all depends on what that number is. If the number is good, I think we're going to go up pretty hard, obviously. I think if PPI is hot and CPI is hot, the market's going to unload. The ultimate would be for us to take the highs and then CPI suck, and then we kind of come all the way back down. Got to remember, if PPI and CPI are hot, they're not going to do a rate cut. There will be no rate cut. So it's kind of one of those things that's just kind of out there. Bro, I have no idea why it just fucking moved me off the screen. Oh, I mean, the market's going nowhere. We've gone nowhere for almost 2 hours. It's about a 20-point range in the last 2 hours. You know, this is so easy. So with Apex PA, if I just pick a side on CPI, not yeah, if you just pick a side and that side is right, you will make money. They might ask you why you took that trade, though, TJ. They might ask you why you took that trade, and you can't say, "Oh, there was news," and if it went up, you know, they don't want you to trade like that. I'm just telling you because I'm just telling you. They'll do anything to not pay you. Just keeping it reals. When keeping it reals goes real wrong. You know what I'm saying? What up, Adam? But yeah, I'm just listen, I don't want to see you get fucked. I don't trade Apex funded accounts on news. You know, I just don't. So if they're pretty much blown, then fuck it, right? Who cares? If the accounts are pretty much blown, I would let it rip, personally. Why not? What are they going to do? You know, they're not going to do anything to you at that point. Yeah. Oh, then I would let it rip, dude. I would choose a side and just go with it. Yo, do you listen to Immure? What is that, Mo, bro? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Enlighten me. I need to be enlightened. Oh, it's from the Dave Chappelle. I think it's Dave Chappelle show, right? When keeping it real goes real wrong, dude. Yeah, it's the Dave Chappelle show. That's how I know it. That's how I know it. Yeah. Fuck it. It's dude, that show, if you've never seen it, you should watch it. Do I trade ICT concepts? I use some of the concepts. I don't know all of the concepts, but I do use some of the concepts. And what you use most of the time? Honestly, I love fair value gaps, breaker blocks. Dude, something just made a fucking clicking noise. Order blocks. I use all types of stuff. I don't say there's one specific thing that's like, yo, this is what I do every single time. I played the silver bullet a bunch. Kind of got a massive fucking inverted head and shoulders here. Look at this. Didn't know you were that kind of guy. Bro, I'll trade anything that I like. I'll trade, to be honest with you. It's not like one thing. I don't know. I'm not like stuck on one thing, and I don't get involved with drama or anything. Also, a lot of his things are repackaged other things. So it's really not his thing, but whatever. It's just fucking interesting. Earnings? I'll tell you if there's earnings today. I'll tell you what earnings. I love big value gaps. Huge. Yo, you have Oracle tonight. You have Oracle, after hours, synopsis. I don't know what they, rubric. I don't know what they do. The big one is Oracle. Oracle after hours. Yo, you have GameStop today after hours. Woo, GameStop. Tomorrow you got Chewy. Most people only trade NQ. I trade ES and YM every once in a while, or gold. What up, Zane? What up, man? Most people trade RTY, I heard. Yeah, I don't trade RTY. GameStop will not move the market. No. Hey, small wins is better than no wins. Monet, I don't like people playing on my phone. Where's that from? Only goes up, Kid Poker. Only goes up. Nothing can stop it. All the way up. I mean, it's probably going to fucking just blast off.
Order filled. Order filled.
So the dangerous part about this, let's see if I can pass it. This is an eval. Ron higher. Asia session's kind of rough for me, to be honest with you. I'm not a big Asia session guy. Oh, that's Dave Chappelle keeping it real. I gotta rewatch it. I haven't watched it in probably 6 years. My favorite episode, Monet, Well, two of them. One is the first episode with Clayton Bigsby, and then the other one is the Mad Real World. Correction. I did have sex with Katie. Oh, man. Oh, just break it out here. I thought that was hysterical. The best part is if you rewatch, you can skip the musical shit. So you can just watch the skits. What up, Ace? Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. See, the problem with Bulenox is they have trailing drawdown. So now my fucking drawdown. I hope so. Yeah, you got to pay more for it, though. These are $16 accounts that have rebuild. Come on, baby. Push it. I mean, it's been slow all day. I mean, this doesn't. How did you get a $16 account with Bulenox when they run 91% off? You got to use the best code out there, Cove Trader, and it got you $16 accounts. Fucking push it. Push it. Come on, man. Just give it to me one time. I'm riding it over here, too. This is one of those Fidias accounts. Fidias! Fidias is end of day, though, so I'm not that worried about Gary Wall. What? Hold on one second. I don't even know what that means, Gary. LaRosa, I used your code during an argument with my girl last night. She started to agree with me after I said code Trader. Yo. Yo, and then she made you a sandwich after. Gary, I don't even know what that means, bro, but I hope you find whatever you're looking for. Oh. Oh, man. People wild. Yo, here's a little piece of advice, only because you just brought it up. No matter how much money you will make, at the end of the day, after you fucking trade your ass off, make money, do all this shit, you'll never be able to do enough. They'll always be like, oh, you didn't unload the dishwasher. Oh, I had to do laundry. Dude, it just fucking never ends. Never ends. Gotta give good, obviously, always, Delco. Yo, somebody asked me that one time. They're like, "Yo, when you make all that money, man, like how is it at home?" I'm like, "Yo, my wife bitches at me just like your wife bitches at you." I'm like, "Bro, it doesn't matter how much money you make. We both get bitched at for the same shit." My fucking side of the bedroom looks like my dorm room did in college with put all my fucking clothes on the floor. Dude, yo, Dell got bitched at while I was listening in. Dude, she was going hard on him. We were like, oh shit. Yeah, that's so funny. 30 minutes. Just give me the fucking push. I need the push. Yo, what if he's chained in the basement? Bro, imagine his wife chained him in the basement. We find out about it like a year from now. Dude. He was getting torched. Well, that's all I know. We were all like listening and playing poker. Whoever was there for that poker night got to listen in. He's been MIA since then, by the way. I haven't heard or seen him since then. I'm contemplating sending him an email to just be like, yo, man, you alive? You alive, dude? That's what I want to send to him. Come on and fucking push it. Yo, at the bottom of the Hudson. Yo, Tell's locked in the basement, bro. Is Bulenox good? They're not the best, LaRosa. They're not the best. I've had better. I'll tell you that. I've definitely had better. I think Take Profit Trader is the best one out there. I don't mind this Fidias account. I passed one of these today already, though. I passed this one today. One trade also. One trade. Boom. I like doing the one trades. It's easier if they have end of day drawdown to do the one trade, but you know the rules. One trade. My funded future. Yo, what up, Dr. T? Yeah, my funded futures core is the easiest account to get paid with. I have one. I just did day 4 complete. I can take out a payout tomorrow if I get another $100. I'm hoping to request a payout tonight for like $1,400. So we'll see what happens. You know, the fact that you can reset a funded account for $200 is absolutely ridiculous. You did have to go through an eval for my funded futures, Marie. Yeah. But once you pass an eval and you have a funded account, if you fail that funded account for $200, you can have it funded again. Yo, funded ticks has been shoddy at best so far. I have a funded account with them. I'm just being honest. Just keeping it reals. Just go already. Just go. If my wife goes out tonight, I'll stream tonight. If anyone's listening, have you gotten your payout from them? Who? Elite? La Rosa? I've been paid 3 times already from Elite, and I'm going to request a 4th. I have a request. They're sending me the money tomorrow, and as soon as that request goes, I'm requesting another one. Oh, funded ticks? No. I just got my first funded account ever. I'm not buying any more accounts with them, to be honest with you, but I will request. I have one funded account, and we'll see where it takes me. All in, it was cheap because it was only $38. Where do people even buy funded accounts? On yo, I'm still waiting for my fast track refunds. I already made. I'm onto the funded side of things. Come on, man. Hit the fucking gas pedal. Yo, it's a smooth operator. And Arnold Blass is in here. What up, man? I have to make $51,000. I have to make $2,100. I got to hit the gas pedal now and start making some fucking money. Yo, you need 800 to pass? Bro, $800 to pass. If you went 10 minis, you could pass in 5 points. Don't do that, Arnold. I'm just messing around. But you could. Yeah, I'd wait till tomorrow. Yo, Tech, yeah, hey, Fast Track. Yo, I'm giving away 10 Daytona accounts today. Who wants a Daytona account? Yeah, I think so. How many yes, La Rosa. That's all. Yeah, I think so. How many Bulenox accounts can we get 91% off? Unlimited when they run it, a better me. It's not being ran right now, but when it is, I'll let you know. Yo, I bought 2 cars from Carvana. It was so nice. I actually just bought my Jeep from there. It had 200 miles on it. Yo, you don't know what a Daytona account is, Delco? It's one of the Fast Track accounts. Bro, Daytona. You never heard of Fast Track Trading, Marie? Oh, man, it's crazy. I'm all in with this, by the way. I'm not fucking leaving. Yo, what up, Lexington? Dude, everybody that owns a Tesla loves the Tesla. I don't own one, but everybody loves it. Yeah, Marie, if you never heard of Fast Track, you missed out on the Fast Track trading things. Yo, everybody loves the Tesla. Yeah, you need $2,500 once you get funded. How many points you need for a giveaway? I think it's 5 or 10 points. Literally, you just got to be on the stream for like 15, 20 minutes. We do it every single day, operator. So if you don't get in today, you can definitely get in tomorrow. All it is to stop people from signing up with like 30 fucking accounts because we had duck race fraud. What account am I giving away today? I don't know. I might mix it up today. They're eating the ducks. I don't know. What account should I give away? I might do a core account. What do I have? I pay with my own pocket, operator. So this isn't like they're giving me free accounts. Marie wants a My Funded Futures pretty bad. Marie, then that's what we'll do. Oh, fuck my back. All right, so here's the deal. My wife's definitely going out tonight. I am going to stream tonight, probably around 8:30 once I get these kids in bed. I don't know I haven't traded Asia in ages. I don't know what to expect. I'll probably just trade some evals and have some fun. But maybe I'll trade one micro and try to get 3 points. Don't do it. Are there any straight to funded accounts? Yeah, Tradeify has them. Dude, I'm using a $16 account. I'm not getting cooked at all. This is just an eval. And I'm about to get fucking stopped out. I am about to get cooked completely. The only reason I'm going to get cooked is the trailing drawdown.
Order filled.
See? The account should have $1,200 more of drawdown, but does not. That's what fucking sucks. All right, so I was 1 for 2 today in Bulenox. I passed this one and I failed this one. No, I passed that one and I failed that one. All right, so I was I take 1 for 2. What platform is that? Project SlipX. Yo, Monet. If you win 65% of the time and you have like a 1.5 R, like you're printing money and people don't realize that. Fidias is end of day. You've been on a hot streak lately? Well, that's good. I'll just keep it moving. But I went for a long time without. Nobody likes a dry spell, Marie. Nobody likes a dry spell, but now you're on a hot streak. So you just keep building on that. Yeah, TJ, I find that the magic number is like 3 to 5 minis when I quote unquote full port. Anytime I go over 3 to 5 minis, I get roasted. Boom, 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 boom. Code Cove Trader is 25% off my funded futures. Is that for every account, LaRosa? Or is it just resets? Topstep is opening a brokerage. That's cool. I will not be trading there. Yo, my funded futures is 25% off with code Cove Trader. That's actually a really good fucking that's really fucking good. Dude, that's legitimate. Can somebody else verify that? Dude. See, I only see this. This is what I see. See, I see the resets. Bro, that's actually pretty fucking cheap. If you have a blown core account, yo, you use coupon code Code Trader behind Wendy's and got an extra 10 minutes. Yo, I'm there to help you. See, dude, most people aren't getting to more than 1,000. Josh, have you seen fucking straight crushing it on did you ever buy NBIS or UNH by any chance? Yeah, listen, if you're brand new, you should be on my funded futures. It's the easiest to get a payout. Yeah, I take listen, you can copy trade. Bro. I gotta look at whatever Hippo is. I have not. I am in the dude. No. I have two of them. One I passed and one I failed. See, here's the one I failed. Here's the one I passed. Bro, I was hitting you up about lemonade. I put it in the chat. Oh, I was telling you about lemonade. I'm using day traders firm. I'm a beginner, so I'll take it slow. Just hope they win that lawsuit. Bro, I can't buy this up here. Actually, it's not that high in general. I don't know anything about it though. I gotta look. I have it up on my screen. I got to look at it though. Oh, this thing is just fucking sitting here. MOC, baby. Which way are we going? I'll trade gold. I'll fucking slap gold around tonight. I'll slap some gold around tonight. We'll have some fun. Murderbot. Yo, watch your positions. 45 seconds. Watch your butthole. Dude, what's up? On Hippo, I can't buy it I can only sell puts on it. But yes, it looks like if you sold 35 puts, you would be okay. The premium wasn't bad. I think it was like 55, 60 cents. Dude, I'm going to get smoked. I always get fucking smoked on this. Boom. Dude, that just friggin' ripped it. Oh, I just realized I'm hanging in this fucking position. Oh my God, my screen just went black. Bro, I forgot I was hanging in this thing.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
So I will never buy another account ever from this company, by the way. Ever, 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 I will never buy another account with them. But I need $250 to declare it a day. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for my $250. I need to be up $250 on the day. I'll just put my stop right there just in case. But I need more money. We're going to need some more money. It's funded ticks. Not funded ticks. Tick tick. Bro, they have the worst fucking payout rules I've ever seen in my life. Worst payout rules ever. They make you do 10 days of $250 or more to get fucking points or something. Bro, it's not even based on profit. It's not even based on profit. It's so stupid. So like, I need to trade 10 days of $250 or more. Like, I'm fucking out. I'm so out on it. But I don't want to waste the account. Like, I don't want to waste the money because I fucking, oh my God, I was right there. Yo, it's such Bush League. It was $98 straight to fund it, so I bought it. Bro, it was the worst decision, worst $98 I've spent. Yo, it actually says that I'm locked because I didn't KYC, but I did KYC. Bro, don't buy an account there. Just don't do it. I'm helping you out. Do not buy an account at TickTick. Do not do it. Just don't do it. Bro, I'm going to be trading this account for a fucking while. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, Elite does have some weird rules, but oh shit. Okay. I'm out. I made my $250. Fuck yes. I'm out on that shit. Shit sucks. Shit stinks. Did I ever get my 10 days? I've been paid by Elite 3 times. I'm on my 4th payout. Smooth. I've had the account for almost, I don't know, over 40 trading days. Yeah, I've had the account for, what is that? I'm probably approaching 2 months of the same account. No, I'm saying your TTT. Oh no, no, that's my second day of 250, but I'm actually down, so I have no idea. Is this thing just going to go for it? Yeah. Listen, I have it, and it's just going to be like one of those accounts that it's just like, I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. This shit's just going. The Beast Special? I'm trying, Smooth. Some of these firms have some weird ass rules, man. Super weird. Yo, what makes you think that Elite is doing the Beast Special tomorrow? Just curious. Did someone tell you about it? Fat? Who? I'm just curious. Who told you about that? Did you get an email? I haven't seen it. That's why. Come on, just fucking pump it. I'm getting nervous because we're getting to the end of the day. So I'm gonna fucking smash this thing. Come down to fucking 877. Come on. Come down. Come down. Oh, I'm gonna run out of fucking time here. I don't know, man. I think they pop it here. I'm gonna risk it. Yo, it's like Saturday night, 3 a.m. I'm just gonna risk it. Oh, here we go. Right here, right?
Order rejected.
Let's see. Gotta hold. Come on. Pump! Fuck yeah. I don't want to hold it into close. I don't know what's going to happen, so I sold. Oh, I'm so glad I got out. Yo, the drip just paid. The drip just paid. Yeah, if you played it, I was already up. I didn't play it. I didn't want to ruin my, I don't know. I just hit this in the last like 10 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. I want to request my money. You gonna play this back up? Do I dare play this back up? Dude, that just unloaded. That just unloaded on somebody's face at the end of the day. That was 40 points to the downside. Someone just took that. Sean, that was the last 30 seconds right there, bro. Somebody just took that. Someone just took the last 30 seconds of the. Hey, man, with TBT, can you take payouts from a wallet to a bank every day? Yes, you can. You want it to be over $250, you don't pay any fees. Yo, some guy that was holding long just took the last 30 seconds. All resets for my funded futures are 25% off code Cove Trader. But somebody just said they just purchased a new account with code Cove Trader and got 25% off. So try it. That's how good it works. Here. Maybe you got to click the link. Oh my God, dude. I just wasn't paying attention. I didn't even see that, dude. I wait. Goes to show you, you don't, you know. Yeah, then what do you call it? Then do a reset. It'll give you 25% off. Co-trader, can you talk about Fideas a bit? Primarily at 25K. Their help section needs some work. I'm confused. If you get a 1K payout after passing the eval, all right, so basically it's a 25K static account. You pay like $8. Once you pass the account, which is you make $1,500, and your account goes never below 24,500, you go into the funded stage. And basically, you just have to get the account back up to 26,500, and you could take daily. I think you take daily payouts with it, and your drawdown stays at 24,500. It never moves. Yeah, I should have shorted that shit, Tyler. Sean let me know after the fact. Yeah, my funded futures is resets 25% off. But yeah. It mentions a 1K bonus payout once passing. I'll look. I passed the accounts before. I've never gotten a 1K bonus account. I'll look. Bro, way to let me know, bro. Cool, man. I see how it is. I don't know, T-Gal. I pay for it. Yo, do password reset. Josh, it's not difficult. It's the easiest one to get a payout with. Oh, I'm just looking. I don't even see it. What number is it under in the rules? What number is it? Yeah, it's easier than TPT only because you only need 5 days of $100 or more and you can take a payout. The problem is when you take that payout, you pretty much deplete the account. You've never got, I think, resilient, to be honest with you. You should probably hang out in here and learn and trade small because obviously whatever strategy you're working on is not working. You keep failing because you can only trade one contract. What would be the difference if you traded one or two contracts? Josh, if you're unprofitable with one, you're not going to be profitable with three. Yeah, Dr. T, always take your fucking money out. You can always reset it. What up, Charlie? Search bonus. All right, step one, take the eval. Oh, so basically, you're going to have to pass it. And once you pass, you go to the funded account. And then if you get that funded account up to, seems like if you get it up to 2,500, they'll pay you plus give you $1,000 bonus. Yeah, that's what it seems like. I don't really trade those accounts, so I don't really know. I always go with the 50K accounts. Would you reset a core sim funded account for 200? I probably would. $200 to me is cheap for an account that has no consistency rules. Chuck, the time to be reborn is now. The rapture is weeks away. Please have faith. Bro, I called on Jesus on my position today. You did not help. No, I'm just joking around, dude. You do you, Chuck. Have you ever seen the movie This Is the End? I don't know, man. I'm not going to block you, but all good, dude. All good. Swings are the best. Bro, remember This Is the End? The devil came down and he was swinging his fucking dick, hitting things. Yo, Chuck, just remember at the end, be sure to use code CopeTrader. Yo, it was the big devil dom. Bro, that shit was hysterical. The big devil dom was swinging. Yo, it's at the end, Maria. It's like the last 20 minutes of the movie. The devil's walking around. He's huge. Like he's got to be like 150 feet big, and he just swings this big devil dick. Is Streamlabs a bot? Yes, it's a bot that I programmed. Yo. It's a lot. That's a big swinging one. Anybody got questions? I'm going to try streaming tonight. So if you're around and you want to hang out. Dude, I can't believe they took previous day high like that. Have I been winning? Yes, Kim. What's September's P&L look like? I don't know. I took out 2 payouts last week. I got another payout this week. Just with those payouts, all my costs are covered. All my costs are probably more than covered for the month. I don't know. Here's my E-Trade account. Month to date, I'm up almost $11,000. I think month to date, and I'll tell you on this. On my fucking Robinhood app, I am up $3,000 in Robinhood. So stock and options, I'm up about $14,000 this month, and I've taken out, I don't know, I'm going to be taking out 3 prop firm payouts already this month. You'd probably have to make like, I don't know, $1,500 maybe, T-Gow, $1,700. No, I'm not 11,000 in monthly expenses. I'm saying with the prop firm payouts that I've taken, we'll pay all my prop firm accounts and more. I probably spend anywhere between $2,000 to $2,500 a month in prop firm accounts. You got to think activation fees are $140 on some accounts. So it adds up, but I've already taken out money and I'm about to request another one. I'm hoping I can request it tonight, but yeah, and then I'm up, I don't know, $14,000 in stock and options this month. I would not use top one resilient. What up, Apollo? Do I blow them on purpose? No. Sometimes I get caught. Like, I'll just show you. Like today, I was just in something today and randomly got like a 20-point down candle. Today I had a risk one because it was rebilling on Apex and I had to either do it or not do it. So I kind of got stuck doing it, just going heavy. Yeah, take profit trader. My funded future is the best. That's where I would go. That's literally the best out of all of them. If I was going to choose one, one account that I needed for it all, take profit trader offers you daily payouts, and the only rule there is you can't trade 1 minute before or 1 minute after major news. Other than that, you can do whatever the fuck you want. It's pretty legit. I hate trade day. I've had trade day accounts. The issue with trade, actually, you know what, dude? Yo, I might have trade day accounts. Hold on 1 second. I think you can trade BTC. Bro, I do have fucking trade day accounts, man. See, this is why. Here, I have trade day accounts. I didn't even know I had them. I forgot about them. Bro, I gotta trade these accounts. Nah, rules are pretty much just evals are 50% consistency. There's 0 consistency on funded accounts. But yeah. Get me in the ducks. Dude, did you not submit that for the duck race all day? Are you not in the ducks? Are they not quacking by you? Yo, it's 5 days of $100 or more to get a payout. Yes. I join you after work as soon as I'm home. My fund of future is freedom trading. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, Doug. I feel like my fund of futures is pretty cool. You know what it is? I'll tell you what happened, Resilient. They were running all these propfirm deals, and anytime they run deals, I load up. Load up. No, operator. I'm sorry, man. But if you want to use the code that has the best payout rate, use code CopeTrader. If you want that, if you don't want the best payout rate, that's just what I heard. That's what I heard on the streets. When's the market actually close? 4:59 seconds, I guess. 5 o'clock on the dot. What was I going to say? I when there's deals, I load up on accounts. That's the best way to optimize your money, to be like 100% honest with you. Yo, I appreciate it, man. But yeah, you have obviously everyone has a budget for accounts. So I go where they're giving the most bang for your dollar. Hey, Apex is 90% off with $85 lifetime. I'm getting those accounts. My fund of futures, 25% off. I'm going to get a couple of accounts. I will never pay full price for accounts. I'm not paying 80% off for Apex. I'm not paying 83% off on Bulenox. It's just I am going where the deals are at. If there's no deal, I'm not fucking doing it. That's the best way to, that's the best way to put it is you got to maximize your dollars. And that's how I maximize it. I go where the discounts are. I'm not going to some shit firm, but trade day was $59 all in. I got accounts. Yo, get it, Akram. Shop. What do I think of AMD and Shop for long-term debt investments? I actually like them both, Ali. I knew about Shop when it was like $20 prior to the split. Yeah, if you want to talk stocks, I could talk some really good shit that I like. But Shop is one that's always, there's no competitor to Shop. There's just not. Like I bought Lucid accounts when they were discounted. TPT is at the highest discount that they offer. They never give more than 40% off, no activation fee. Like that's the best take profit trader is ever going to give you. So if you want take profit trader, that's the best deal they've ever offered. Tradeify hasn't really given a good deal lately. I'm just being honest. Fidias is 90% off till tonight. So that's why I say Fidias 90% off. If the problem with Fidias is they have a high activation fee. How long is the TBD? I haven't heard of them ending it anytime soon. But I'm always on the lookout for the deals. Like Funded Ticks was $38 all in, no activation fee. I fucking got the max amount of accounts. Yeah, when they send you back your eval costs. Yeah, Fidias has one with no activation fee. Trade Day is not. They were running a 40% off thing. Like I wouldn't buy it 30% off. I would just buy a take profit trader account. They were running a better deal like literally 10 days ago. T-Gal. I'm going to load the ducks up. You can keep asking questions though, but I go where the deals are. I don't just say the deals to just say them. You should be saving money is what should be happening. That's the game within the game, is to save money on these prop firms. All right, we're going to do a My Funded Futures core account today. The winners will play each other. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe below and then click that little bell button so you get notified when I go live. I stream twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. By the way, I'm probably going to stream tonight, probably around 8:30 once my kids go to bed. So if you want to hang out tonight, I'll probably be on. Also, if you want to support the stream, be sure to use code CoveTrader. Also below, there's a link to our free Discord. If you want to hang out, we played poker last night. We do all types of shit, actually. We're doing Survivor football pool. There's always cool shit going on in the Discord. Here's the link. And what else is going on? There's also a link to exclusive prop firm discounts somewhere below in the description. Other than that, I will run this. If you missed it today, we do account giveaways every day. Just got to be on the stream. Crack, motherfucker. Let's go. Is there a giveaway tonight? Maybe I will give away a good trade tonight. I don't know. Business Lens. I would focus more on being more profitable than just focused on giveaways. I would focus on being more profitable, because if you're not profitable, an account's not going to help you out. You're always here, Bad. I know that. Yo, is Andrew even on here? Andrew, you got like 15 seconds, or we're rerunning this. Smells like an alt account. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is everybody that was on, just so you guys know, this is everybody that was on the stream at 10:45 in the morning. So each race is people that were on the stream at certain times. So this is people that were on the stream this morning. Participate. You just gotta be on the stream and it pops up. Yo, I told AD he can go to bed. AD is in Japan. I told AD he can go to bed and I would add him. I feel bad. AD hangs out until like fucking 2 in the morning sometimes. Yo, I just changed my toilet seat yesterday, KP. It was super easy. I'm definitely not doing a valve. AD's in Japan. He said he's It's right now in Japan, it's 5:30 right now. He just went to bed like 3 hours ago. Can you get in on the race? I'll add you in the last one. I'll add you. You're added. Yo, Marie, hitting him with the shitty job. I normally reset after a rough day. I will say, Stephen, part of trading is being able to just close the screens and completely forgetting about it. I will say that that's part of trading is learning to just say, hey, man, whatever happened, happened. Like I tell people, like if you're going to do this for real, like for reals, you can't let trading affect your personal life or your relationships with people. You know, like if I have a shitty day, I can't be mean to my kids. I can't be mean to my wife because I fucking lost $5,000, you know? And when I have a really good day, I can't just go out and go buy a bunch of shit because I had a good day. And, you know, you gotta be who you are no matter how your day went with trading. And if you're negative to your friends and family when you have a bad day, then this really shouldn't be something you should be doing because it's going to ruin all aspects of your life. I'll give you a true story. Back in 2020, I was making a lot of money, and on my birthday, I lost $9,000. Dude, it was my birthday. It was Friday. You can go look it up now. But anyways, it was a Friday. It was my birthday. And I got smoked for $9,000. I got to be able to shut the screens off and go hang out with everybody that wants to hang out with me. You know, it was COVID time, but I got my kids, my wife, everybody wants to spend time with me. It's my birthday. And you know what? Yeah, I just got my dick kicked in. But, you know, you can't let it affect the rest of your fucking day, man. You just got to say, hey, it's just a job. You know, that's all this is. It's a job. You know, when you are working at fucking some job you got and some customer annoys you and you just leave. You don't typically, you know, treat people nasty at home. You know, that's part of growing, and you know, you gotta just say fuck it. Like, I'm obviously doing well this month. I'm not going to just go out and go, you know, if I was single, I'm just not going to do drugs and go to the strip club and have a fucking crazy time. You know what I mean? Like I shut the computer down. It doesn't matter anymore. I don't get overexcited about the big wins, Marie. Like, yeah, I'll be like, oh, today was awesome. You know, like I probably made about $4,500 today, Marie, and I made, I think, $4,000 yesterday. Like I'm up good money. Like the market's only been open for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days this month, and I'm probably at $15,000. I'm averaging a little over $2,000 a day. But you know, it's just a job. I fucking just get up. I just leave. Yeah, I'm the same person. You wouldn't be able to tell if I had a great day or I got fucking hammered. You know, I leave here, and that's it. All right, here's the last one with everybody on it. I leave here and that's it. So I've made probably $15,000 in the market, plus I'm on my third prop firm payout this month. So net, I don't know, maybe I'm close to 20 grand in the market. It's just a fucking job. It's just numbers. And that's it. It's just, I do the same thing every single day. It's just, I get excited as it's happening, but when the market closes, honestly, when the market closes, I go cook dinner. I gotta go do dad life shit. I gotta go cook dinner, clean up, I do all the shit that you don't, that everybody else does. I'm no different. Wife has a honey-do list for me. What up, Oscar? Everything's the fucking same. Love the honey-do list. Monet, I got a list like you wouldn't believe. I get bitched at just like everybody else. It doesn't matter if I made 100 grand this month. I've had big months. I still get bitched at. Doesn't matter. People think making money makes it so you don't get bitched at. Everyone's got the same shit. Same shit. Hey, you gonna clean your room up? You gonna clean this up? Yo, you left fucking your workout drinks. They're gross. All the powder is so gross. Can you clean them out? Hey, your protein powder, you dumped it all over the counter. Can you clean it up next time? Like, it doesn't fucking end. It's all the same stuff, guys. It's all the same stuff. Oh, that's why I'm here. You're real. I've been doing this a long time, Maria. A long, long time. My real knowledge, oh man, I love digging into companies. I love that shit. All right, we're gonna do something special today. Yeah. You thought I left here and I go in my Lambo and I'm hanging out? Like, no, that's not how it works. I don't have a Lambo, and I show my Rolex watch. It's not like that. Is Cove a millionaire? I would assume so. I mean, I've been trading the markets for fucking 15 years. You would assume I've accumulated more than $1 million. I think the issue I'm going through right now is everyone thinks I have all this free time because I work. Yeah, the roast is for what? Yeah, this is for the account. So do I, man. I'll be honest with you. On top of all this, I run a company outside of this. I start working at 5:30 in the morning when I get up. Yo, Lee B, you won, man. If you're not on, I'll let you. Lee B's in a whole nother time zone. Yeah, what is it, KP? I mean, I would assume they're publicly traded. Yo, shoot me an email. Yeah, LaRosa. I mean, even my wife thinks I have a ton of time. I do this, and then I have people texting me, and I'm on calls for other shit. Yo, I do get yelled at for leaving the toilet seat up. Steven, just like everybody else. Everybody else. Dude, this thing's just going for it. Since I started trading, I've lost all of my friends and seen. I don't drink, smoke, or party, and working is my. I'll be honest with you, La Rosa. I didn't know that you were 20. If you want to really be successful at this, it takes a lot of time. Like, I don't know if you only trade futures, but like, you know, if I can go back, I would trade all day, all night, and just look for the same setups in all different things from Forex to futures. Yeah, I would, if you're turning the corner and becoming profitable, I would not give this up because, yo, later, Sean. There's just a lot of money to be had. Yo, later, Monet. Listen, if you want to blow off steam, head out, but I wouldn't let it affect my trading. Like, if you were out with your friends and the next day you're like, yo, I feel so shitty because I was doing this and doing that. Dude, that's pretty much what I did when I was younger. You're talking e-com, right? I've done that for a while. I mean, our business has e-commerce websites and, we make shit. So yeah, man, I would, trust me, I would keep doing what you're doing right now because that's what's going to pay you out. Yeah, running ads. Yeah. Been in that game for a while. We started our business. I stopped trading in 2012, started my business in 2012. And for those 5 years, I grew the thing. And then I took the foot off the gas pedal a little bit and got back into trading in 2017. It took 5 years to set up automations and things like that. Dude, this thing just keeps going. Yeah, man. I would keep working, dude. I wouldn't stop. Yo, believe me, I can tell. Here's the one thing. If the shit hits the fan and say you get stuck with a big bill or you need to fix your car, your friends aren't giving you money to fix your car, bro. So I would make as much money as you possibly can while you're young. Yo, later, Cash. Yeah, I wouldn't stop because my friends wanted me to smoke. If you want to smoke, smoke at 11 o'clock when you're done working. Smoke. Be done with work, smoke, hang out for a half hour, then go to bed. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. I would just keep making money. And then it'll open the door to some really cool parties. You go to some crazy parties once Yeah, I'm with you, dude. I haven't smoked in a while during work week. During the work week, man, I like to stay as fresh as I can. Later, Ellie. Yeah, I like to stay as fresh as I can during the work week, man. I am not into doing all types of shit. That's for shit sure. Yo, later, operator. Yeah, it's the best advice. Yeah, hey, man, if that's what works, that's what you should keep doing, dude. I take part on the, like, if I go out, I'm not a big drinker. So, like, I'll not drink. I don't drink. I'll go weeks without drinking. It's not a thing for me. I don't have, I mean, you guys don't really like know me, but like, I don't have an addicting personality. Like, I can do something and then just be like, I'm not going to do it anymore and fucking cut it out. Um, like I've stopped sugar before, I've stopped all types of things before. I don't get addicted to things, and I've given up weed during the week, and I gave it up unless I'm out like partying on a weekend, and I'm just not into it. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing, man. If you can really learn the markets, you can extract a ton of fucking money out of it. More money than your friends can make in a year, you can make in a week. You know, think about it. This month, in 6 trading days, I made about $20,000 in just my trading account and propfirm payouts. There's some people that make 40,000 all year. You know what I mean? I did it in a week. And I'm not even near the top of the ladder. Yeah, you made 3K to this. I mean, 3K is probably more than your friends are making at Target or, one of the other jobs. Yeah, dude, I work all the time, man. I'd rather work, and then when I go out, could do whatever I want. I would just keep working, dude. Yeah, I wouldn't give it up for them. To be honest, I would save your money, and honestly, if you're profitable in prop firms, I would start moving that money to the market and get dividends or writing puts or just investing in stocks in general. Maybe ETFs, and I would start building up a portfolio because that will pay you even when your futures are not paying you. If you have a bad day, at least this other thing is paying you. You start making money in all aspects. That's where it's at. I would never, this is a great, futures is great. What state are you in? Are you in California? Yeah, I'm in New York also. I mean, if you're young enough and you can move, dude, I would move to either the Carolinas, where income tax is obviously less and living expenses are less. Yeah, Harris. Yep. My code works for 80% off Apex. Yep. I would move to the Carolinas, where I think income tax is like 3%, but also the cost of living is cheaper. Or I'd move to like Texas or Florida, man. Florida's zero. There's no state income tax in Florida. I own a business in Florida, and yeah, you can go to Nevada. You can go a lot of places, man. I would go to a lot of places. If I could move anywhere, like I was no kids, no nothing, man, I would go to a state with no income tax. I pay quarterly taxes anyways because I make money with my company, and I pay quarterlies anyways. So it doesn't. I've never paid it because of my trading. I just paid it because I get paid. I pay quarterlies. But yeah, I would probably go somewhere else. I tried to move to Florida during COVID. My wife didn't want it. I was going to move to the East Coast, somewhere between, I don't know, somewhere down where it was nice. Apex is always one day to pass, Josh. Yeah, Fort Myers is one way and Miami is the other way. I was going to move. I'll tell you where I was going to move. Let me see the map of Florida. I looked at Vero Beach, and that was kind of like a lot of older people with second homes. And then I wasn't going to move to Georgia. That I was going to move to what was it? Highland Beach area, I think it was. Yeah, I mean, I looked at Fort Lauderdale. That really wasn't like, it wasn't really for me. The West Coast is nice. The Fort Myers area, was it Dundon or Dunedin? Tampa area was nice. You know, Tarpon Springs. I also looked at Melbourne. Yeah, Maria, 1,000%. Yeah, Cape Coral. Yeah. Nah, you don't need 7 days, Josh. Yeah, I know people that go down there. I mean, yeah, I'm with you. I would move if I could. I'd move to the Carolinas. That's probably my it because I still get some cold weather. I don't like Florida because I don't like it hot all the time. So at least in the Carolinas, I would get like 4 to 6 weeks of like winter. I guess 4 to 6 weeks of winter. You could still swim in October. You could swim in April. You know, like your summer goes to like the end of October and it starts like in May. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Maria. Yeah, it depends on where you're going. I was looking at, I think it was Cary, North Carolina, or Raleigh area when I was going to move. But I was also, you know, what was I? I was like for the 35, 37. Capex. I got to jump off. I got to go pick up my kids. I got to go get my kids. They're at the Boys and Girls Club, so I got to go pick them up and bring them home and start doing dinner. And I got a whole bunch of dad life stuff. So I'll try to stream later on. It depends on when my kids go to bed. All right. If I don't get on, I'll see you tomorrow, but I am going to try getting on. All right. I shall see you later or tomorrow. Peace.